Good morning, my dear students. Welcome in MathSpread. So, from so many days, we are learning the lesson number 2, number works. In that new concept, today we are going to learn what it is, smaller and bigger number. And along with the symbol is also there. See, symbol to show smaller and bigger number. So, let's begin with it. Be careful and listen it. Say which number is bigger and which smaller. Here numbers are given. We have to write the smaller and bigger number. First let me explain how to solve this one. While deciding the smaller and bigger number between the two numbers, number having more digit is bigger. अब जो numbers में more digit रहते हैं वो क्या रहता है, bigger. See first one, for example, see first one 8 and 2, but here only in this two number only one digits are there. दोनों भी क्या है, one digit है. But see while we are reading number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, the first number is which one after 1? 2. So the smaller number will be 2. We'll write 2 over here. And the 8 is what? Bigger number. Getting? Now come to the next, 77 and 59. See here, in these two numbers, between the two numbers, the number having more digit is bigger. Here also 2 digits, tens unit, and here also 2 digits are there. But first compare the digit in the 10 place. See here, 10 place. अब 10 place पे कौन सा digit है? 7. And here 10 place पे 5. अब पहले ये दोनों का कंपैरिजन करेंगे. तो which number is bigger and smaller? Yes, 7 is big and 5 is smaller. So your answer will be, it could be what? Smaller number. We'll write over there 59 is a smaller and 77 is a bigger number. Getting? So simple. Here 39 and 9. See here 2 digits are there and here only 1 digit. So which number is smaller and bigger? The number having more digit is bigger. Yes, very good. So here 9 is smaller and 39 is a bigger number. After that 14 and 35. 14 and 35. 2 digits are there. In 10 place here 1. Here 10 place what is there? 3. So which number is bigger? 3. Means 35 is a bigger number and 14 is a smaller number. So we'll write 14 in the smaller number column and 35 we'll write over here bigger number. Getting? Last one 67 and 32. अब 67 and 32. See here दोनों भी क्या है, 2 digits है. But in tens column here 6 and here 3. So which one is bigger? 6. So 67 is a bigger and 32 is a smaller number. So we'll write 32 in smaller number column and 67 in the bigger. Got all of you up to here? Getting? Now come to the next. Using the symbol. See, ये symbols है, वो यूज़ करके हमें क्या बताना है, which one is a bigger and a smaller number. See, it is a symbol. 5 is bigger than 2 is read as a that 5 is bigger than 2. This symbol showing what? 5 2 से क्या है, big है. See this one symbol. ये symbol क्या बताता है हमें? 5 is bigger than 2. See here 5 tens and 2. So 5 is a bigger than 2. Here now see this symbol what showing? This one 2 is smaller than 5. 2 is smaller than 5. यानी 2 क्या है, 5 से small है. Getting? See here 27 is smaller or less than 40. See here, 27 and 40 number are given. If we compare 2 and 4, 10 place. So 4 is big na, so 40 means 40 is a bigger number and 27 is a smaller number. So this symbol show what? Smaller, sign of smaller number. So 27 is less than 40 or smaller than 40. See here, 91 and 49. 91 is bigger or greater than 49. Is read as 91 is greater than 49. Got? So these two symbols show the bigger and the smaller number. See, it is a sign of what? Bigger number, and it is a smaller number. Smaller and bigger number sign. So write the correct symbol in the box. With the help of these symbols, we have to write the correct number. We have to solve this one. So see first one. Already it is solved. 10. It's bigger than 9. Here 9. So which symbol will come over? 9 is smaller. So 9 is smaller than 10. Getting? After then 5. 5 and 3. So 5 is what? 5 is bigger than 3. Here it is opposite. 3 is smaller than 5. So which sign here? 3. We read as 3 is smaller than 5. Getting? So with the help of this symbol, we have to solve the remaining example in the same way. Getting all of you? We have to put the only symbol bigger and smaller and solve this example in your notebook proper. Now next one, ascending and descending order. You know student what it is? Ascending and descending order? No? Okay, let me explain. Ascending and descending, it means write the following numbers in ascending and descending. How to write the numbers ascending and descending? Yes. In order to decide the ascending and descending order of 2-digit number. See here, 2-digit number are given. Then what to do? First find the smallest number. अभी जो नंबर दिए हुए हैं इसमें से हमने सब में से सबसे पहले क्या करना है? स्मॉल नंबर फाइंड आउट करना है. Then find the biggest number and the remaining number is the middle number. See here, 2-digit number में पहले सब में पहले smallest number. After that biggest or remaining is the what? Middle number. So how to write? Or we can say it is a ascending, smallest to biggest number. Small से लेके biggest number we have to write over here. So see here, 55, 63, 40 and 80. Here 4 numbers are given. So in ascending form we have to write first the smallest number. अब इसमें से smallest number कौन सा है? Give me answer. Yes, you are correct. 40. So we'll write over here 40. After 40, smallest? Yes, 55. After that 55, 63. And last the 80 is the biggest number, bigger. So we'll write 80 over there. See, it is the ascending form of this number. 40, 55, 63 and 80. Now we have to write the descending number of this same given number. अब यही नंबर का हमको क्या लिखना है? डिसेंडिंग. तो वी हैव टू राइट स्टार्ट फ्रॉम बिगेस्ट टू स्मॉलेस्ट. तो हम बिगेस्ट नंबर से स्टार्ट करके स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर तक जाएंगे. और वी हैव टू राइट द अपोजिट, स्टार्ट फ्रॉम बिगेस्ट टू स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर. सो राइट स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 80, 63, 55 and 40. Got? Simple na? Same 69, 9, 59 and 70. So we'll write ascending order 9 smallest. After 9 which one is? Yes, 59, 69 and 70. And the descending 70, 69, 59 and 9. Getting all of you how to write the ascending and descending? 14, 29, 47 and 39. So smallest number is which one? 14. Yes, good. After 14, 29, 39 and last the biggest is 47, and the descending of this number 47, 39, 29 and the last one smallest 14. So got all of you how to write the ascending and descending. Getting? So this one also you have to write down in your notebook, and plus this ascending and the descending order of this number given now here, yellow, pink and blue column. This one also you have to copy in your notebook, and see this remaining example. Write the following numbers in ascending and descending order. You have to solve in the same way in your notebook. Got all of you? So whatever homework I am given you have to complete in your notebook proper. Getting? And let me tell you one more thing students. See, very soon your first UT will be there. बहुत ही जल्दी तुम्हारे क्या होने वाले हैं? एग्ज़ाम होने वाले. सो बी रेडी फॉर योर एग्ज़ाम. टुडे अप टू टुडे वीडियो वॉट एवर आई टॉट यू एंड वॉट एवर वर्क आई हैव गिवन यू टिल देन यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस इट वेरी केयरफुली एंड प्रॉपरली. आज तक मैंने जो भी वीडियो में तुमको पढ़ाया है, होमवर्क दिया है, वो तुमको अच्छे से क्या करना है? प्रैक्टिस करना है. इट विल बी वेरी इजी पेपर एंड एक्टिविटी बेस्ड, सो डोंट बी अफ्रेड. सो आज तक हमने जो भी वीडियो में पढ़ा है, सीखा है, वो तुमको अच्छे से लर्न करना है. सो स्टार्ट लर्निंग एंड प्रैक्टिस ऑफ द गिवन सम. सो वेरी सुन योर फर्स्ट UT विल बी देयर, सो बी रेडी फॉर इट. एंड वॉट एवर होमवर्क यू आर पेंडिंग और नॉट कंप्लीट, सो कंप्लीट इट वेरी soon. And if you are having any difficulty or doubt, you can ask me any time. So we shall stop over there. आज तक के लिए बस इतना ही. So we will meet in the next spread. Till then, thank you and have a good day. So be ready for your exam and best of luck also. Thank you.